Hey guys, I'm back with another video. We're going to do a door panel removal for a 90s Cadillac. This one is a 97. This works on 97 through 99 Devilles, and this will actually work for a few other models as well. Eldorado is pretty much the same thing too. I'm going to start right here. On this panel, I already have mine off, but you're going to want to pry behind this. Let me get that focus. Piece of plastic or a screwdriver. And you're going to want to press down on these 3 tabs that would be here, and you're going to want to pull this out. Let's see here, open the handle, pull this out. You're going to take the connector off that's supposed to be there, but I already have this mostly apart. And you're going to want to start working the switch right here. Again, I'm going to put my screwdriver right in here. You want to be very careful not to break this piece because it will. Going to want to kind of wiggle it, press in. That was not what I want. Let's see. Might take a minute, don't rush it. You don't want to break this piece. So if you get in there, keep hearing that clicking, I'm slipping off the tab that's in there. Sometimes you can get it back here, but yeah, I don't want to scratch my leather up too bad here. Let me put this down. So I got this. I just had to use 2 hands, and my leather is all right, but this tab right here is what you're trying to press down on to release this. It pulls out like that. You got these pieces of plastic that kind of hook underneath the door panel there. Now, this piece here. Challenge, try and do something with one hand. That just pulls off. You might want to kind of clean in there, but with the battery disconnected, you could short that out if you put a wire brush across those 2 terminals. And, let me see. Disconnect that wire connection there. I already had mine broken, so made it easy to do. Now normally there would be a screw there. I've had my door panels off before, so mine is not in there, just to make it easier. And down here you got this light here, which you could pry right on the back very carefully, and it'll pop out. Disconnect the wiring and take out the Phillips head screw that's supposed to be there as well. Quality might be a little fuzzy because I have the camera zoomed out because I'm working in close quarters here. Once you get all the pieces disconnected and removed and wiring disconnected, you're ready to lift this panel off. So this one just comes off straight up. Straight up and back, because you see these hooks, they hook right in, so you do not want to break those. And let's see, pull the wires through. There's no tweeter in this door panel, so you don't have to worry about that, and this piece just comes right off.